Finding the right keywords for your affiliate content is crucial for driving traffic and making sales, and in this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to find keywords that work. Stay tuned until the end because I've got a free tool you won't want to miss that'll help you find these keywords more easily and effectively. So let's get started. Step 1. Start with your niche. You need to narrow down your focus. Let's say you're promoting fitness products, for example. Start by typing basic terms like fitness, workout, or exercise into a keyword tool. But don't stop there. You want to drill deeper into related terms. Think about variations of these terms or sub-niches like home workouts or weight loss supplements. The goal is to identify specific keywords that fit into your affiliate products and audience. Step 2. Use Google's autocomplete. This is a simple but powerful way to find keywords. When you type something into Google search bar, it auto-suggests popular search terms related to what you entered. These suggestions are real user queries, which means they're relevant. For example, if you type best fitness, Google might suggest best fitness trackers or best fitness supplements. These are the long tail keywords you want. Step 3. Keyword research tools. You've probably heard of tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, or Ubersuggest, but today I want to focus on a tool that I personally recommend and have tested. It's simple to use, but powerful enough to find the exact keywords you need for affiliate content. I've left an exclusive free trial link in the description below for you to check it out and follow along. Step 4. Analyze competitors. Take a look at what your competitors are doing. Find some top affiliate websites or blogs in your niche and see what keywords they're ranking for. Tools like SEMrush or Ahrefs can help you uncover the specific terms they're targeting. This helps you understand what's working for them and how you can create better, more targeted content. Step 5. Check search intent. Not all keywords are created equal. Some people are looking for information, others are looking to buy. Make sure you're targeting keywords that match the intent of your audience. For example, best workout for weight loss indicates that people are looking for information, but buy fitness tracker online shows intent to purchase, which is perfect for affiliate marketing. Now you've got your keywords, but the key takeaway here is to always focus on the search intent behind the keyword. If you're targeting keywords that align with what people are actually looking for and buying, your affiliate content is going to perform much better. So let's quickly recap. Start by researching within your niche, then use Google's autocomplete to find related terms, leverage a keyword research tool. I've got an exclusive trial link for you in the description below. Check out your competitors and always keep search intent in mind. And remember, I highly recommend you take advantage of that free trial for the tool I mentioned earlier. It'll make keyword research a breeze. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, I'd love for you to hit that like button and subscribe for more actionable tips. Thanks for watching.